Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you live your best life. If you're looking to transform your life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly impactful. Hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends because today I'm sharing 7 simple habits that'll change your life forever. Trust me, these habits are game changers. Let's dive right in. Are you ready to make some positive changes? First up, wake up early. Rising before the world does gives you a head start on your day. It's a quiet time when you can focus on yourself without distractions. You'll find time for things that matter, like exercise, planning, or simply enjoying a peaceful cup of coffee. This time can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Second, practice gratitude. Every morning, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the sunshine or a kind gesture from a friend. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already beautiful in your life. This simple act can bring a profound sense of happiness and contentment. Trust me, this tiny habit can make a massive difference. Number 3, read daily, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Reading stimulates your mind and can be a great source of relaxation. Books are a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration. They can transport you to different worlds and introduce you to new ideas. They expand your mind and open new perspectives. Fourth, exercise regularly. You don't need to hit the gym daily. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. A brisk walk, a home workout, or even dancing to your favorite tunes can boost your mood and energy levels. Physical activity is essential for both your body and mind. Next, declutter your space. A tidy environment leads to a clearer mind. When your space is organized, you can think more clearly and feel more at peace. Spend a few minutes each day organizing your surroundings and watch how it positively impacts your productivity and peace. A clean space can lead to a clean mind. Sixth, set goals and review them. Having clear goals gives you direction and purpose. Know where you want to go and keep track of your progress. Regularly reviewing your goals helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. It keeps you motivated and aligned with your dreams. Lastly, disconnect to reconnect. Take time off from screens and spend it with loved ones or in nature. This break from technology can help you recharge and reconnect with what's truly important. It rejuvenates your soul and strengthens your relationships. Spending quality time with loved ones or in nature can bring immense joy and fulfillment. So there you have it. These habits are simple but incredibly powerful. 7 simple habits that can transform your life. Start incorporating them into your daily routine and see the difference they make. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the magic unfold. Remember, consistency is key to making lasting changes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Spread the positivity and help others transform their lives too. Thanks for watching, and remember, you hold the power to create the life you desire. Embrace these habits and take control of your destiny. See you in the next video. Stay positive and keep striving for your best self.